The construction of Amer Fort was started in 1592. It was rebuilt at regular intervals by several rulers. This process continued till the end of 1600. The fort was constructed mostly using red sandstone and white marble. Although originally this fort remained as the main residence of Rajput Maharajas, so in subsequent modifications, the fort was deliberately built like a grand palace. There is also another palace which was constructed before the construction of Amer Fort. The old palace is situated on a valley behind the fort. This palace is one of the oldest palaces in India. 4 separate sections combine to form a fort or palace. Each section has its own gate and courtyard. The first gate, which is also the main gate, is called Suraj Pol or Surya Dwar. The gate faces east, which witnesses sunrise every morning and hence the name. This gate leads to the first courtyard named Jalebi Chowk. Even when the place was ruled by the Rajputs, the soldiers used to celebrate their victory in this huge courtyard. It was a visual gift to the public and was often seen through windows by women. Since the royal dignitaries used to enter through the Surya Gate, there was heavy security at this place. The front courtyard of the fort complex is adorned with the magnificent pillared hall of Diwan-i-Am and the 2-tiered painted gate of the Ganesh Hall. The entrance to the Amer Fort is from the Delhi Amar Garden, which is built in the traditional Mughal style. An impressive flight of stairs leads to the Diwan-i-Am Hall of Public Audience with a lattice gallery and a double row of pillars, each with an elephant-shaped capital at the top. This hall is placed in the second courtyard. On the right are the steps leading to a small temple of goddess Sila Devi. The temple has huge doors made of silver. There are 2 magnificent buildings in the third courtyard. The buildings are located opposite to each other. On the left is the beautiful Jai Mandir, also known as Sheesh Mahal, Palace of Mirrors. As the name suggests, Jai Mandir was used to celebrate victory. Other ceremonies were also held in this building. The building in front of Jai Mandir is called Sukh Mahal, Hall of Pleasure. This place was used by the royal family whenever they felt like spending some time alone or relaxing. Towards the southern area of this courtyard is situated the famous palace built by Raja Man Singh I. It is the oldest structure of the entire fort and it still stands today. The way out of this palace leads directly to the city of Amer. The fourth courtyard is also interesting. In this part of the palace, royal women including the mistress lived. They were collectively known as Zanana. Even the queen and the queen mother used to live in this part. This part of the palace was very deserted because the kings used to visit the queens or their mistresses without paying any attention to anyone.